They're very instant, very delicious. You can serve it as breakfast, as a lunchbox recipe, or as a light meal. And now let's begin with our recipe. So guys, now in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum, then 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes, 2 green chilies which again I have finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 tablespoon of fresh dhania which is cilantro, and salt as per your taste. And now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala followed by 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And now let's mix everything in. Now guys, you can always add your choice of vegetables. You can always add corn, you can add spinach, you can add mushrooms. Whatever you have in your pantry, whatever you have in your fridge, you can add it in this sandwich recipe. Now I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoon of veg mayo and mix that in as well. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. So once the stuffing is nicely mixed in, let's take 2 slices of bread, and I'm going to take a very generous amount of the stuffing and land it on top of the slice. And then let's spread it out evenly. I'm going to do this with the other slice as well. So guys, as you can see now, I have both my slices evenly spread with the stuffing. And now I'm going to land 1 slice of cheese and place the other bread on top of this slice. And then apply some butter. And now it's ready for roasting. So on a pan, I'm going to land the buttered side bread at the bottom, and we are going to apply some butter on the top as well. And now guys, I'm going to use a spatula and press down the bread and cover it up and cook it on a low flame for a minute or 2, or until the bottom is nice and golden brown in color. And now it's time for us to flip and cook again for a minute or 2. Again, do cover it up and make sure the flame is on low. And now guys, let's remove our sandwich and let's cut it into half. And I absolutely cannot tell you how heavenly it's smelling here. Nice and golden brown sandwiches, the cheese is oozing out, and I absolutely cannot resist them. So I have to have a bite. So cheesy, so yummy. Guys, you have to make it. Do make it. You can always add few more other vegetables like mushrooms or boiled peas. Let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on these links right over here so you do not miss out on any other recipes. And do share this recipe with your friends and family, and I'll see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye.